I would say they are progressing well. There's been a lot of work in extracting technical requirements, seeing how and which functional capabilities research communities would benefit from. Now we are at a critical stage to advance the first round of demonstrators, having the technical infrastructures for testing purposes available to these communities, and we are just starting working with a second group of scientific demonstrators, so at the stage of requirements gathering and identifying existing solutions and potential gaps. The science demonstrators are very powerful instruments because they mobilize expert users. Let's call them data scientists from specific research communities and key research infrastructures in Europe, many of which are on the S3 roadmap. So they essentially bring in the requirements and the knowledge from research communities and allow these to work with the experts, matching experts from various European infrastructures and national infrastructures. So they are excellent instruments because, first of all, they touch and serve different scientific disciplines, so they are quite broad. And they are also selected through open procedures, so this is really community-driven, and we have instruments in the project to allow new communities to work with the project to help us shaping the European Open Science Cloud. So these are definitely necessary building blocks to shape the future architecture of the EOSC. The demonstrators are helping with the definition of the architecture, meaning what are the necessary capabilities and services and policies, and they help identifying current gaps and obstacles, for example, in missing services, missing policies. And they are not just about technology, so identifying what are the technical capabilities needed, but also help out in identifying where the funding is missing, what are the business models that need to be made available to have the European Open Science Cloud as a successful initiative. So they are really helping defining more concretely what the European Open Science Cloud of the future will be and what are the priorities for the research community.